Today we are going to discuss modern physics. The first thing that we have to understand is what is light. What is light? Light is light. That's correct. But let us try to understand what is light. The great Newton thought that light is a particle. Christian Huygens thought that light is a longitudinal wave. In 1801, Thomas Young proved that light undergoes interference. Interference is something that is exhibited by waves, sound waves, water waves, all undergo interference. So based on this experiment, people concluded that light must be a wave. Maxwell showed that light is an electromagnetic wave. Basically, experiments on interference and diffraction established that light must be a wave. Experiments on polarization told us that light must be a transverse wave.